Okay, let's go do the backpack.
Yeah. We open He-Man and Granger.
Yep. Okay. Now you can point to the screen today because we're here together. Which one?
Yeah. 4. Oh wait, I forgot. I don't have to tell you the numbers anymore.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh boy. Ooh. The cube is alive.
Yeah. Great.
Okay. Whoa! Elemental battle cat! Yes! Oh man, that's awesome! That's awesome!
Fire cat.
And now we have a fire cat. Wait, okay. Hey, Cryptoys team, this is so loud! Okay, Jesus. But you know what that means? That's now 2 of the rares, because we've got Lightning He-Man, and now we've got Fire Battle Cat. That's awesome.
Wow.
Here we go. Let's go down.
Yeah.
Here we are. There's our rare and our rare. Woo! That is 2 of the rares. We needed 4. We've got half of the rares.
2
And
more.
we needed 4 of the commons, and we have 3 of the commons. So
2
we're
more.
close on that.
1 more, actually.
Yep. And then the uncommons, we just have... And we have 2 of the uncommons. Just need 2 more of those.
3
Oh, no.
more.
Sorry, we didn't need uncommons. We just needed him and the regular battle
Yeah,
cat is what we wanted.
But we got 3 uncommons.
Yeah. But for the uncommons, we were hoping for him and the regular battle cat.
Yeah.
But cool. Oh, man. So we need 1 uncommon. Well, the one we want. Wow. Man, today was... Oh, look at the number. 16. That's so low. That's the lowest number we... Oh, no, I have 12. Wow. I got a couple of good numbers in here. They always say the lower the number, the better. I don't really know why, but that's awesome.
Yay.
All right. Man, today was an awesome day, huh? Cool. All right, guys. We'll see. Whew. I don't even know if we want to open one tomorrow. How can we top this? Whew. It's going to be tough. But we'll see. All right, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. See you later, huh?
Bye. This was awesome.